What if I tell you Gurgaon still has a place where you can hear birds before traffic? Gurgaon reinvents itself every single year. Glass towers, corporate parks, and a race that never seems to stop. But in the middle of this rush on Golf Course Road stands a project that can change its entire philosophy. Hi, I am Anamika from 10x Money Realtors. Welcome to Prime Residence Sector 65. Prime Developments is an emerging name in Gurgaon's real estate. Founded in 2023 under the leadership of Mr. Rakesh Malhotra, इस प्रोजेक्ट को intentionally गुड़गांव के high-rise culture से अलग सोचा गया है. Let's break it down from the start. Prime Residence एक 5 acres की township है, bang on 84 meter wide road near the Golf Course Extension Road, while most of Gurgaon is racing towards 40-50 story towers. But यहाँ Prime Residence का एक अलग रूट है. इसमें डेवलपर ने टोटल 308 रेजिडेंट्स प्लान किए हैं with all amenities. Other than that, Prime Residence offers 4 floors per building with a stilt parking. हमारे पास 2 options हैं to offer you. One is 2 BHK of 1225 square feet and other one is 3 BHK of 1740 square feet, and the floor plan is designed to provide you spacious premium living experience. This is not just an aesthetic choice, it's a lifestyle statement. If you want to invest in first, second and third floor, you will get a private lockable basement of 365 square feet size. Additionally, builder is offering you 2 staircase and 2 lifts to enhance privacy and security that will be dedicated to your floor. The architecture is built around clean lines and minimal designs. Marble floorings, modern interiors, and every home is planned for full space utilization. चाहे वो 2 BHK हो या 3 BHK. Vastu compliant layouts, earthquake resistant structure are also part of this plan to ensure long-term safety. Now let's talk about its amenities, and this is where Prime Residences truly sets itself apart. Clubhouse spans nearly 30,000 square feet. Wellness, leisure, fitness, everything under one roof. There is a fully equipped gym for fitness enthusiasts and a yoga and meditation zone for those who wants to start their day with calm. Indoor game zone, reading rooms and a dedicated kids play area. मतलब हर family member के लिए कुछ ना कुछ है. And alongside all this, 24/7 security, CCTV surveillance and a controlled gated access is giving every family a peace of mind. Now, location. शायद इस प्रोजेक्ट का सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग पिलर. प्राइम रेजिडेंसेस इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड टू गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड, गोल्फ कोर्स रोड, सोना रोड एंड SPR. You can reach Rapid Metro in just 8 minutes and Rajiv Chowk via NH8 road in just 15 to 20 minutes of drive. And if you travel frequently, IGI Airport बस 30 minutes के डिस्टेंस पे है. For corporate professionals, this is the massive advantage. Corporate hubs like Amtrium Urbana, Worldmark and Vatika Business Park are nearby. Cyber City and Udyog Vihar are just minutes away. Means work-life balance is not just promise, it's a reality. And for everyday convenience, malls like Amtrium 65th Avenue, AIPL Joy Street and Elan Empire, along with Heritage School and Delhi Public International School, all are just within minutes. Now let's come to the question जो हर buyers के mind में होता है. Is this a smart investment? Sector 65 is Gurgaon's one of the most micro markets, surrounded by the premium developments जैसे Emerald Estates, Trump Tower and Emerald Floors. अगर मैं इसके neighborhood की बात करूँ, तो इस प्रोजेक्ट के आसपास अडानी टाउनशिप एंड DLF द अर्बर है. मतलब इसका फ्यूचर एप्रिसिएशन पोटेंशियल ऑलरेडी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो जाता है. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट हाउ मच योर बजट शुड बी टू इन्वेस्ट इन दिस प्रोजेक्ट. Our 2 BHK are already sold out. We have only limited 3 BHK floors and the price starts from 3.30 CR. It's a balanced opportunity for both ends, for investor and for the developer. So, if you are looking for a home in Gurgaon, that is just not an ordinary address, but a lifestyle. जहाँ सिटी की स्पीड भी हो, और नेचर का सुकून भी। तो प्राइम रेजिडेंसेज सेक्टर 65 should be in your list. So, if you are still watching this video and you are a serious buyer, comment Prime or contact on the given number below. We will give you full detail about this project and subscribe to our channel to never miss any update. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।